Harry Douglas here, Car Concerns Radio. Hey, look what we're driving this week. We're driving the Land Rover Range Rover. Hey, top of the line right here, folks. The ultimate vehicle with a 5.0 liter, 375 horsepower, aluminum alloy V8 engine with 375 pounds of torque. Hey, this has the permanent four-wheel drive, four-wheel electronic traction control, 2-speed electronic transfer box, and electronic center differential. It's got the 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission, and it's got the 19x8 alloy aluminum wheels on it, folks. Hey, it is the Land Rover, and it is the ultimate machine. We've been driving it all week long. Automatic air, power steering, power brakes, tilt, cruise. It's got the dual sunroofs in it, all leather, even the leather inside the glove box, folks. That's how nice this vehicle is. It's got the heated seats. I mean, this AM, FM, satellite radio, there's not anything that you could want for. Hey, if I had the money, I'd park this in my driveway. It's right at $90,000. It's not for everyone, but it could be for you. I want you to go test drive one and see if you agree with me. The ultimate vehicle, it's the 2011 Land Rover HSE. It's loaded. I'm Harry Douglas, Car Concerns Radio. When your money's on the line, call the line that's on the money, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hey, I'm always there. That's my schedule. You can call me. We'll talk some more about the Land Rover. Hey, 1-888-454-3378, 1-888-454-3378. That's 1-888-454-3378. Of course, you can stay with me 24/7 at carconcerns.com. That's where you're going to see my full report on this wonderful 2011 Land Rover HSE. Hey, we love it, and we think you will too. Go test drive one and tell them that Harry Douglas sent you, because when your money's on the line, call the line that's on the money. That's Car Concerns. I'll talk to you in the morning.